Sunday. Just I arrived here last night. Very delusional. This is the pad I'm in, and it's pretty cool. I've messed it up, as you can see. I've just friggin' looked a lot better when I first came in, but I was sort of a little bit all over the place. So this is it here. It's quite nice. There's a pink bag I replaced. I left the other one at the Travel Lodge, San Fran. Friggin', this is the weather outside. There's the weather. Fantastic weather. On the internet, I was talking to all friends back in Australia. And this is another view here. See? Fantastic. Alright, here we go. Here it is, Sun Studios.
Crazy. But we're gonna make sure, you know what? It'll be funny though. That back tire will go out. That back tire will go out. There will be no way to replace it. It's just gonna be a fireball set from pivot. It's gonna all of a sudden be the wheel of the car. You guys don't know how we're gonna have to work. You guys are gonna be so sick and tired of me about talking about physically active and always been sports and always, and he's not Johnson here.
Where is he? There's a skunk. Hey mate. He's running away. Hey. Whoa, I stacked it. Okay, today's Monday. Gotta get motivated. I've got to get absolutely motivated. It's hard to get motivated. When you've got a car, you don't have to worry about getting too motivated. It's the time. 10:56. Okay, there's a car there. Okay. Arrived here. There's the entrance there.
And she said, as you prayed, she's beginning to be able to. $700.
Okay, here we are in Florida. Oh, Orlando, I should say. It's Florida. That's the weather outside. Swimming pool out there. You see, there's a car over there. Wide. Pretty warm. Quite scary driving around here. See, it's the bed. And yeah. So this is the room here. Just trying to get settled in now and try and work out, get my bearings really. So yeah. Here we are at SeaWorld. As you can see, I think the battery's going flat on the camera. I should have charged it. As you can see up there, there's a scary ride up the back there. And the weather's beautiful here today in Orlando. So I just got here. What time is it? It's 11 o'clock at the moment, present time. Just take this shade off. There you go. It's 11 o'clock at the moment. And just going to check out the sites and see what's SeaWorld, if there's any good for Wally to come back. So let's check it out and have a look. see. Yeah, there. Here in the woods.
They're racing.
If you would like to look at the show times, we just ask that you back away from that wall before looking at your map. We don't want anything up above this wall. This is the interactive side of the habitat, so you guys are welcome to touch these animals. However, the majority of these dolphins are going to swim up to you guys head first. When they are swimming up head first, they are checking you out. We do ask that you not reach out and touch them on top of their heads. That is actually a very sensitive area, being